ChatGPT ads are the biggest opportunity for marketers in the next 5 years. However, with the platform being so new, many people that used to Meta or Google or just want to get early access to the ChatGPT ads platform all have the same question. How does the targeting work? And more importantly, what are context hints? And in this video, I'm going to show you how to write the perfect context hint and how to set up your targeting so you attract dream customers to your ChatGPT ads. Now, just to fill in the context for those of you that are new to ChatGPT ads, when you create a new campaign, this is where you set your objective, so clicks or reach. It's where you set your budget and then decide upon the conversion event. After you've done this, you then go to ad groups. And ad groups is where all of your creatives, all of your ads will live in. And this is where you actually set up the targeting of your ChatGPT ads. And how this is done is via context hints. And as you can see, context hints describe the conversations, topics, or keywords where your products or services may be relevant. These hints guide matching, but aren't exact match targeting rules. So basically what you can do here, you can describe and give a hint to OpenAI of who you want your ChatGPT ads to show up to and what kind of keywords they're searching into ChatGPT, which is really interesting because here we're getting a really unique combination of intent, i.e. what things are people searching, and targeting. Because in this box, we're not just adding a list of keywords. It's not just asking us to list those keywords. We can give a hint. So we can actually describe who our target customers are, as well as what they search into ChatGPT in order to guide OpenAI of who our ads should be shown to. And this is what I think is going to be really powerful. And the people that win in ChatGPT ads are going to be the people that really nail this context hints. Because if you can give OpenAI the right information, your ads are going to be shown to your exact target customer at the point that they're ready to buy. And this is something that you can't really get with Google, because with Google, you can only really target intent. And with Meta ad, you've only really got targeting. And ChatGPT is an amazing combination of the two. Now, I'm already running a number of different tests in the OpenAI ad manager, and I'm planning on spending $10,000 on ChatGPT ads in order to conduct experiments to show you how to create winning ChatGPT ads. So if you do want to learn more about that and get access to the results, head over to Futureproof, which is our free ChatGPT ads community. It's the largest ChatGPT ads community in the world, where you can ask me questions and get direct access to these results. Now, the context hint format that I'm finding and we're seeing across our community is working best right now is this format. First of all, in a couple of sentences or a short paragraph, you describe who your ICP is. So what is your ideal customer profile? You don't need to select where they're based because you already select the geography up here. However, you should be describing who they are, the sort of pain points they face, and what their goals are that you solve with your product or service. So for example, with Focal, which is our ChatGPT ads agency, you can see here that I described that I'm looking for marketing leaders and founders that are above $1 million in revenue, that are looking to scale their paid acquisition, get more target customers to their website, get more sales, get more leads. On top of that, I described that they've heard that ChatGPT has a massive user base and want to tap in the massive amount of untapped inventory that is available on ChatGPT ads. So I'm actively describing that I help people just like you who want to learn about ChatGPT ads and want to create winning campaigns before their competitors do. After that, I then type the types of keywords that they actually search into ChatGPT. Now, unfortunately, ChatGPT does not share any data around the search volume of any prompts or keywords in ChatGPT. It does not tell you how many people search any keyword or any prompt into ChatGPT, which does make it very difficult because in some ways you're sort of guessing what your target customers are searching. But one way that I actually do this is I install an extension called Keywords Everywhere. And what Keywords Everywhere actually does is it will tell you the search volume of whatever someone searches into Google. Now, of course, people do search very different things into Google versus ChatGPT, but this at least gives us a starting point in order to figure out the types of keywords, because remember, ChatGPT is specifically asking for keywords that your target customers are searching to help with the targeting. What you should do here is just type into Google the niche that you're in. So for example, I'm in ChatGPT ads. It's going to tell you how many people search that keyword per month. And again, a keyword is just something that someone searches into Google or ChatGPT. And then down here, you can see on this right-hand side, there's a panel. It shows you related keywords and long tail keywords. So these are longer search terms, often 4 to 5 words long or more, that are related to whatever we've searched in here. And on top of that, it also gives you the search volume. So this allows you to prove the demand and get keyword ideas that you can add to your context hint. And all you should do here is type in different things that you think your target customer searches. If you click in here, you can see you're also going to get related keywords that can give you ideas, as well as also the search volume for those. So you copy those keywords, you go back to the ChatGPT ad manager. After you've described your ICP, you should list the keywords that they search. Now, I have actually made a tool that makes this much easier. I have created a context hint generator that is going to create a winning hint that is going to put your ChatGPT ads in front of your target customers. As you can see, all you need to do is add your website URL and the description of your business, and this is going to generate you a winning hint based upon data that we have of what people are actually searching. And as you can see here, it's giving you a context hint that you can literally paste that describes your target customer. This actually goes out to your website in order to get that information, and keywords and prompts that are actually being searched in ChatGPT. Now, if you want to get access to this, head over to tryfocal.com. That'll be the second link in the description where you can sign up to our waiting list. By structuring it in this way, you're not only giving the hint to ChatGPT of who your ICP is, but also what they're searching into ChatGPT, so it can show your ads in the right place at the right time. What we and ChatGPT are also recommending in order to maximize the spend and return on your ChatGPT ad campaigns is make sure then the copy that is shown in your actual ads that live in the ad group. So your targeting is set at an ad group level, and then your ads, you need to make sure the copy that shows is relevant to your targeting. So if you add in specific keywords into your context hints, you want to try and include those keywords, or at least make sure that the copy is actually relevant to the targeting and the context hints that you've added. And that is important for two reasons. First of all, the ChatGPT ad manager and system is set up in a bid way. And essentially the person with the highest bid wins. So the maximum CPC bid that you add here, in order to win the bid, it's not only about having the highest bid possible, but it's also making sure that your relevancy is on point, because the bid, the effective bid, equals your actual bid plus the relevancy. So you want to make sure that the copy that you have in your ads is as relevant as possible to the context hints that you have. So to really win in ChatGPT ads, you need to set up the right targeting following the format that I've just given you, and you need to make sure that your advertising copy matches those context hints so ChatGPT can show your ads in the right place and your relevancy as high as possible to maximize your effective bid. Now, if you do want to learn more about setting up the ChatGPT ad manager and creating a winning campaign, I'll add a video somewhere on the screen here where I walk you through everything you need to know about your tracking, how to actually structure your campaigns, and how to manage them over time. But hopefully you found this video helpful. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next one.